Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Martha. If you're new, please subscribe to my channel for natural hair guidance, wig making tutorials, and a little bit of cooking. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to stretch your hair without using heat. In most of my videos, anywhere, like everywhere I talk about natural hair, I'm always a no-go area to heat. That is a dryer, straightener, and anything like heat. So we have natural ways of stretching your hair to ease the coils, to get them a bit bigger. Should I make it like to get it slightly eased? So we have a natural way, and among the natural ways we have threading. So threading is the easiest, I feel. However, there are other ways you can stretch your hair without heat. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use a thread to stretch your hair. I won't say it straightens your hair, but I would say it stretches your hair a little bit. It relaxes your hair from being so coily to at least something you can use your fingers to touch and pull, and at least pass your fingers through your hair. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I'm going to use this to stretch my hair. So I'm going to be using this. My hair is stretched. My hair is already stretched because I do this type of threading, I think after 3 months, and actually I use it sometimes as as a type of protection or protective style. So that is why it looks already stretched. But in this video I'm showing you how to do it, but I'm not going to do it. That's why my hair is already in a protective style. So this is the thread. Now we are going to hold our hair. I'm not sectioning my hair that much because protective styles, if you want just a protective style, if you know you're just doing for your hair's protection, not for perfection or anything, I don't really get this comb maybe and then maybe start sectioning my hair. I'll just use my fingers to get the part I want. So we are going to get our hair, but I wouldn't advise somebody to hold your hair just so close to your scalp, because it is going to damage your hair. It's a thread, and of course if it is so tight, you're going to break some strands. And I always say, breaking some strands each time you touch your hair gets it like you're breaking a lot of hair in a long run. Because if you just be breaking hair and keeping it aside, in a month, if you touch your hair 4 times, that means you're going to get a really huge sum of hair. You're going to get really a lot of hair that you have lost. So make sure you don't stress, you don't put pressure, you don't do anything that can cause breakage, so that you really also see that your hair is growing and your hair is adding length and your hair is healthy. So we are now going to start threading. So I'm going to hold my hair just here, which means it's not going to be so tight. Now I am going to get my thread, this. So I am going to make it like, I'm going to leave this much length. So I am going to hold it on my hair, I'm going to lay it on the hair, and then I'm going to start rotating. I don't know if left-handed people do it the other way around, but I always say, just get this and get it around this left. So we are going to just rotate. It's just rotating. So we are going to rotate But what we rotate is we are going to make sure it's so close to each other, like the threads have to be close to each other. So we are going to continue rotating, and you have to make sure like it's tight. We are still going. So this is how much is left, but I am just going to fold it upwards. Like, I'm not going to go till it is only one strand. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it backwards, as in up, and then I'm going to rotate upwards just to secure my ends, because I don't want to lose anything. So everything counts. So I'm going to rotate, and then I'll rotate also going backwards again, like down, like I'm now going back. So I first came back like up, and then I'm going down, because it is not so secured, like there's some outside, and I said everything counts. So I am going to So now I'm going to do the tying. So tying, I'm just going to get, like, the thread has to rotate around 2 fingers, I would say, because it makes it easy. And I'm going to pass this thread, like I will rotate it, it's like this. Then I'm going to just, because this finger is holding, I'm going to use these two. So I'm just going to measure and bring it around. So now that it's around, I'm just going to pass it so that these fingers can hold it, and then I will tie. Just that. So this is what we call threading. This is threading. And this is threading. See how it secures your hair. Now imagine you have moisturized your hair. Your hair is in there with everything it needs for a week or 4 days or something more than that. So how does it feel for the hair? Of course, you're not going to touch your hair again. You're not going to be thinking about it again. You're not going to stress it. You're not going to manipulate it. And of course, it is stretched because if you looked closely, actually there's nothing to look closely because my hair is already like, let's see, this is where my hair ends, and which means this is all a stretch. This is all a stretch. And now when you comb it, that's when you will know. When you remove this, that's when you will know, like, oh, my hair is stretched. And of course you will see results. Only you will see results when this is tight. Like, it has to be a bit tight. I'm not talking about the tightness of up here. It is the tightness of the thread around your hair. So I'm going to be showing you how to remove. And plaiting this is one nice feeling or nice moment, because you're not going to stress. You're just going to pull this. This is what we tied, and now you're going to just be like, ooh, it's really beautiful, it's nice. Ooh, just, you know, it's nice. It's like playing as you're doing something. So we are going to keep pulling. You know, it's nice though. It feels like I'm a kid. So we'll be just pulling and rotating, and then it is out. There is no much struggle. So this is the stretched hair. So if it's too tight and it has stayed for long, it will be maybe like to my chest. It's right here. I don't know. But if you leave your hair like this, actually I think you can look at it and already see that difference. Like, ooh. So I am done with threading. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for allowing me or accepting me to be your teacher, to be your tutor, to be anything you call me. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for subscribing, and please keep on sharing so that a lot of people learn how to do their hair, actually understand their natural hair, because the goal to growing healthy, easy, long, your dream length or your dream everything. Everybody has a dream. Like, who do you look at and be like, I wish I had that hair? You can have it. You can have it if you really understand your hair. So just share and let them watch and learn something. So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching once again. Please share with your friends. My dream is to one day, it's not in a month or 1 year or 2 years or even 5, it may not happen, or it can happen, but my dream is to hear like 100 plus or hundreds of people say, she made me understand, she changed my hair journey, she helped me. So please help me reach my dream by sharing. All right guys, thank you so much. Take care. I love you. It's a no hit to your natural hair. Bye bye.